What's up everybody, welcome back to my kitchen where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 5 strange hot dog gadgets from like 40-50 years ago, maybe some earlier, maybe some later, but I promise you guys, they're all so unique and weird. Look at that. With the first one, we're going to actually electrocute hot dogs to cook them. How cool is that? So this hot dog cooker electrocutes your hot dogs. That's how they get heat up and cooked. Mind blown. Let's see how they work. Looks like it does not tell you when it was made, but some of you guys in comments below can let me know. Okay, there's some documents. Can you believe it? Hamilton Beach. This company still existed, but that looks pretty vintage. Check this out, all the paperwork, how it works, even super vintage. Anyways, comes with a wire. Everything looks like brand new, never used. So we're gonna be using this for the first time. Hopefully it works. Okay, the plug is actually on the handle. That's very interesting design. So it's going to run the electricity from both of these things into the hot dogs. I looked at the instruction and something I want to point out. Important safeguard. And look how many safeties out there. 15. And this is instructions how to cook it. Just stab them into here, just like on a picture, and cook it for 1 or 2 minutes, depends on the hot dogs. So let's do that. You know what? I'm gonna do one on the bottom, one to the side, to the top, just to see, just a 4 hot dogs, that's it. How weird is this? Yeah, that is so cool. So you can cook up to 6 hot dogs at the same time. I'm just gonna do this much. That's plenty. Look, we got right here 3 hot dogs. Then we're gonna put the cover on, and looks like this middle goes into this plug. You see there's 2 little metal plugs, and it plugs in into here. Okay, then you see this is still unplugged. I'm kind of scared a little bit. I've never been scared to cook a hot dog in my life. Let me turn off the light in case they glow or something. Okay, let's plug them in for 2 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
I don't see like anything happening right now. Actually, they are cooking. I can hear him sizzling. That is cool. They're not glowing or anything, which is good. So what's happening? We are electrocuting the hot dogs. And there is so much electricity going through them, they're getting really hot. So that's how they getting toasted, from electricity. And there is some holes on the top, so the steam comes out. That is a very strange way to cook the hot dogs. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. I'm gonna unplug everything. Oh, they smell so electric burn. I don't even know how to explain it. There you go. Oh, look, there's this smoke. They smell like electricity burnt. I don't know if you guys ever smell electricity or wires on fire. That's what they smell like. That is so weird. No wonder this is not really a thing anymore. But yeah, they're really hot and very cooked. Look at that. Haha, electrocuted hot dogs. Woo! Yep, and that's what they burned at the ends over there when the most electricity was going through. And they really did get burned, so maybe I should have done only a minute and a half. What a strange way to cook a hot dog. But rather than that, it is very well done hot dog. I like it. I have another very strange electrocuting hot dog cooker. So you see, they connected this way. By the way guys, these kitchen gadgets are pretty expensive because they're vintage, and it's really hard to find them, especially in such an awesome condition. So I spent a lot of money on them. Make sure you support these videos by liking it. Let's see how it works. Looks like it pops out. Same thing, the plug is on the top. Your hot dog maker. And look at the instruction. Put one in like that and go over and in this way. How strange is that? You know what? I'm just gonna do every other one. I don't need to cook that many hot dogs. And in case you only wanna cook so many as well, but looks like you can do 6 hot dogs at the same time in 2 minutes. That's like better than microwave. And once again, we're gonna electrocute it. Make sure there is no water around it or nothing liquid on it. I feel like it might electrocute you. But if you have one of those, hopefully you already read all the safety instructions. We'll plug it in into here. Okay, at first it seems like it's not cooking, but I still would not touch it at all. It does not look like it's sparking or anything. Oh yeah, it's sizzling already, that's good. And you know what's funny? It says the hot dog microwave, but it is not like microwave at all. You see it says on that yellow thing. And how do we open this? Boom. Oh yeah, this hot dog is definitely cooked. How cool is that? Okay, let's fill it. Oh yeah, that's definitely cooked and hot. And the same problem at the end over there, they got burnt by electricity. Unless you don't care about that, it's up to you, but it definitely produces some kind of burnt stuff at the ends over there. I don't know if you would want to eat it. Maybe that's why they stopped making this electrocuting hot dogs. This one definitely got cooked well done. What do you guys think about this electrocuting hot dog machines? Would you still use it? Let me know in comments below. For the next hot dog cooker, we have Coney Island steamer. And you add on water to the line, I'm pretty sure. It did not come with the instruction, but that's okay. We're gonna stick the hot dog right in here, and then we're gonna plug it in, and I'll just watch it when it's gonna be done. You know what, guys? Within 15 seconds, the water is starting to boil in. Look at that. That's insane. That's gotta be really, really hot. But yeah, let's see how well and how fast it's gonna steam it up. Wow, it's boiling even faster. I mean harder, whatever you call it. Amazing. What a cool gadget. I wish it was new. I would cook one hot dog for myself every day. Okay guys, I think it's just a couple of minutes, depends how well done hot dog you like to be cooked, but that seems to be really good. Does it spill out from the side? No, not at all. That's cool. Okay, that looks like it's pretty cooked. All you have to do is just unplug it. And look how well and easy it is to lift it up. And boom, there's still a little bit of water. The hot dog absolutely cooked. Very, very nice, especially on the bottom side, so you could flip it over if you want to. And if you cook it longer, it's gonna get even more cooked, obviously. But this is a great job. Very nice hot dog boiler, one of a kind. And for the next hot dog cooker, I had to pay $100 for this thing. Obviously, way too much just for a hot dog cooker. But I don't think they make them anymore. There was only one that I could find on the whole internet. So let's open it up and let me show you why this thing is so special. I can't believe this thing is brand new. Probably somebody got it in a storage unit or something. Completely brand new. Look at that tray. Unused. What you would do is put the hot dogs right in the middle right here. 3 and 4. That's it. And this is going to get hot and it's going to spin. You adjust that here, on and off. But what these things are for, you put hot dog buns right in here. You could put buns like that. Also, if you get one of those long hot dogs that haven't been pre-cut, you can just cut on one side and stick it in. This is the best way, but I know in America, those are the hot dog buns usually that is sold. So you can still use it by just placing it like this, and it's going to preheat them and toast them. On, and it's starting to spin. The hot dog rollers usually takes a long time to cook. So I'm gonna put 30 minutes, I guess. Okay, looks like it passed almost 10 minutes, maybe 9 minutes. Oh yeah, this is hot. This is pretty much toasted. We could put another hot dog in there, bun, because you can see it's pretty toasty now. So all it is just a warmer for the most part. It doesn't really toast it that well. And these hot dogs are pretty much cooked. They're really hot, maybe a bit longer. For the most part, they're almost done. I wish they would still produce these hot dog cookers. Very easy to cook hot dog and a bun at the same time. And also, it's not too big either. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.